to order. Moved by Councilor Serino Doc, seconded by Councilor Abulahay, on behalf of the Council Secretary, to dispense the said items in our agenda today. Madam Secretary, kindly conduct the roll call.
Presiding Officer, Vice Mayor Antonio Miguel Valdez.
Present.
The Presiding Officer pro tempore, Councilor Apolonio Bacay. The Majority Floor Leader, Councilor Cirilo Tirado. The Minority Floor Leader, Councilor Oscar A. Buling. Councilor Caroline D. Sison. Councilor Michelle S. Sigondera. Councilor Joselito Ofontelera. Councilor Berna S. De Ravago. Councilor Provin A. Ranoy. Councilor Dalia M. De Leon. Councilor Alfred Felix E. De Castro. And exhortation members, Liga ng mga Barangay President, Raul D. Bacay. And Panlunsod ng Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan, President Lover D. Bernadette. 13 members of this August body responded to the call, sir.
13 members responded to the call. Perfect attendance. I now certify the presence of all. Next item.
Approval of agenda.
Any unassigned business, no?
Wala po, sir.
Councilor De Castro. It's been moved by Councilor De Castro, seconded by Councilor Doc for the approval to set agenda. Any objection? Hearing none, set up agenda is approved.
Adoption of the journal and minutes of the Sangguniang Panlunsod special session held on May 28, 2020.
Any motion, Councilor Secretary?
Presiding Officer, I move for the adoption of the journal and minutes of the SK regular session held on May 28, 2020.
It's been moved by Councilor Secretary, duly seconded for the adoption of the journals and minutes. Any objection? Amendment, discussion on hearing none, the said journal and minutes of our special session held on May 28, 2020 are hereby adopted. Next item, any privileged speeches? Concerns, Councilor Ranoy, any? Next item, Madam Secretary.
Now we proceed to the reference of cases. Under proposed ordinance for first reading, request for an ordinance enacting supplemental budget number 3 of the local government unit of the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan for the operation of the city government, and the request for an ordinance amending ordinance number 2018-09, increasing the rate imposed as environmental fee at the 100 Island National Park from 60 pesos to 90 pesos per person to generate additional funds for the maintenance and development of the HINP facilities and for other purposes. And the proposed resolution is a resolution approving in total the calendar year 2020 supplemental annual investment program number 5 of the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan.
With respect to item number 1 and 3, I move for the special for the speaker. With respect to item number 2,
Okay, so first, tackling item number 1 under proposed ordinance, item number 1 under proposed resolutions. Councilor Secretary moves for the suspension of the rules. So, Madam Secretary, kindly acknowledge.
Our guests for these items are our City Treasurer, Madam Shirley R. De La Cruz, our City Budget Officer, Madam Luina Ruiz, our City Accountant, Madam Emeline C. Acosta, and our City Planning and Development Coordinator, Engineer Eduardo A. Garcia.
Magandang hapon po, ma'am, sir. Sino po mauna kaya? Planning? Sino, sir, engineer? Maybe, sir, regarding the supplemental budget number 3 and the supplemental annual investment program number 5, could you give us a brief background? Background na po si Ma'am Budget na lang sa numbers.
Further, population number 9, declaring a state of calamity throughout the Philippines due
to the COVID-19 pandemic. Moreover, the Public Act number 11469 or the Bayanihan to Health as One Act empowered the President to ensure that all local government units are acting on the same letter and spirit to respond to the COVID-19 crisis pandemic. As such, the DBM issued the LBC number 124 to respond to the crisis, and the DILG DBM GMC number 1 dated March 27, 2020 provision guidelines for the utilization of 20% development fund. As such, the City Development Council through the City Development Council Executive Committee endorsed to the August body the Supplemental Annual Investment Program number 5 to address the programs and projects activities related to the response of the city to the crisis. So, in their conclusion, the committee requests for the approval of the Supplemental Annual Investment Program number 5 to address the hazard trade of the frontliners and the utilization of the 20% development fund to the COVID-19 testing program, services program, the amount of 5 million, and the cash forward for volunteers in the relief operation amounting to 974,000.
Any questions to our city planning department head? Tanong nila ba kanina? Maybe we'd like to call on our, do you want to acknowledge our city accountant or our city treasurer, city accountant, and our city budget officer? Any questions to them? Ma'am, dito sa funding sources natin, abot ba ito ng 21 million?
Yes, po, sir.
Parang kulang ito.
5 pages po yung sources of funds.
3 pages. 5 pages, itong funding sources. 3 pages lang kasi. Pwede pakicomplete yung... May request sa secretariat to the funding sources that I have with my folder is just 3 pages, amounting to more or less 7 million lang po. Anyway, any questions from the body regarding complete picture. How to clarify that to the body, yung statement of funding source, ito po yung mga savings natin from January 1 to June 30, amounting to 21 million plus. And then, ito pong statement of supplemental appropriation calendar year 2020. Ito po yung pagkakasasan, which is yung hazard pay of all the departments in the city.
Sir, ang sources of fund po natin tatlo, sir.
First is yung savings from personal services, yung nasabi niyo. Second is for yung sa ating continuing appropriation.
Yun lang kasi meron, yung PS lang kasi meron ako eh. Magkano yung sa,
4 million.
sa continuing?
4 million po yan.
PS yun eh.
Bandang huli po. Yung page 4 and 5. Yan.
So sa PS mo, magkano? Ano dito?
16 million. 11 million. Yung sa PS na savings are almost 11 million. Yung sa ating continuing is 4 million na higit po. At saka yung sa ating development fund, yung para sa ating COVID testing services, that's 5 million. Kinuha po yan under sa farm to market road.
Ma'am, kulang.
Yan po yung tatanggap namin, sir.
Ako flash na ako, hindi ko kasi kumita. PS lang yun nandito talaga.
Pero wala akong pirma po.
$11 million yung PS, and then po,
4 million na higit po yung sa ating continuing appropriation and 5 million po yung galing sa development fund.
okay, any question to our city budget officer? Do we, okay na po ba? Kailan po ba i-release po ito?
Yung pag-release po, sir, madali lang po, pero yung paggawa ng payroll po kasi, sir.
Una pa rin. Kamusta ba ang status natin sa
Sir, ang ano namin kasi, sir, bali dalawang payroll po ang gagawin per every month. March 17 to April 15, at saka April 16 to May 15. Kasi para hindi masyadong malinis sa COA kasi po hindi po babawasan ng tax. Though hindi naman sa dapat pinatax, madam accountant. Sa DRR po, kasama siya sa 92. Kailang policies naman. So, hindi mo na lang kasama doon sa exempted na 92,000. Kasama yung so, para hindi mo mainit sa COA. So, dalawang beses po natin po. Pero off the record po yung mainit sa COA.
yes, please, strike off the record the statement na mainit sa ulo.
In English, always have.
Ano to? Yung PPE, ano yung HIMSC?
100 Island Medical Services Complex. Yung birthing po natin. Mga matatagal na kung pondo yan, sir.
How about itong ISO? We won't need it.
Savings na po yan, sir, kasi tapos na po bayaran.
Okay.
Savings na po talaga lahat yan.
Doon sa 20% development farm to market road, meron pa tayong balance.
Meron pa, sir.
Kasi I think papagawa pa ni Councilor gano'n yung harap ng Pocantay. So, anyway. Any concern po from our city accountant and city treasurer? Any words of happiness and warning for our COA? For our are we just want to know kung we are following all the guidelines and lahat po ng nandito ay kumbaga in accordance to the normal rules and regulations of COA and auditing procedures.
Yes, sir. May mga nilagay po ako dyan kung ano yung basis ng pagbibigay. May circular po dun sa ating hazard. Pati dun sa special risk allowance po ng mga CPL.
Meron rin.
Nandyan po.
Sige lang, sa barangay po meron.
Entitled sila sir, pero barangay fund po.
Kasi meron ako nakuha query na bakit si ganyan, si DFW meron at ang hazard pay sila? Wala ba? Bakit ang council wala? Walang galit sa city. Barangay fund pang nagalit.
Wala po.
So any other questions? Siguro as a suggestion lang ma'am sir, maybe we could work on the siguro yung recovery plan din natin for the city while it's early siguro. Anong plano natin financially and yung mga projects natin, how will we prioritize siguro? Have we been working on that, sir?
Actually, this June, the budget for the mayor commission.
It's like
Will be included in the budget. And the Office of the City Planning Development Coordinator issues the investment of the annual investment program, CPEs for the work.
so you have to prepare earlier. So any other questions? Kung wala na, thank you very much, Engineer Garcia, Madam Rowena Luis, Madam Acosta, and Madam De La Cruz. Yung resolution, same naman yun, di ba? Twin resolution na talaga. So with that, any other concerns? With that, we would like to list the suspension of the rules. What is the pleasure of the body regarding item number 1 under proposed ordinance and item number 1 under proposed resolution? Councilor Lalo.
Yes, Mr. Chair, as far as items number 1 and 3 are concerned, the proposed resolution, I hope that they be debated to the business of the presentation.
This is moved by Councilor Serino Rodoc, seconded by Councilor Rapaco, Councilor Oscar Boni, Councilor Laurel Bernadette, Councilor Michelle Segundera for the inclusion of the said two items in the said in the basis of the day for deliberation. Regarding item number 1 under proposed ordinances, Councilor Season, Chairperson of the Commission, and Ways and Means pala. Ways and Means natin ito, ano? Tourism. Councilor Season. Kailan po? June. What time po? 9 a.m. So Councilor Season, Chairperson on Tourism, scheduled sa committee hearing on the said ordinance, proposed ordinance, on June 17, 9 o'clock in the morning. Sino pong imbitahan natin? Tourism. Sino po usually tourism, accountant, our city accountant, para alam nyo kung magkano yung pumapasok monthly or annually. DNR next time na, no? DNR. Okay. So, can we invite our city accountant or city accountant and the tourism officer? Next item.
May I proceed to the business of the day. Under the new business, we have the proposed ordinance enacting supplemental budget number 3 of the local government unit of the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan for the operation of the city government.
Yes, Mr. Chair, if there are no more questions concerning proposed measure, I vote for this enactment.
It's been moved by Councilor Serino Doc, seconded by Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Season, Councilor Secundera, for the enactment of the said supplemental budget number 3. Any objection? Hearing none, the said ordinance is hereby enacted. Next item.
Resolution approving in toto the calendar year 2020 supplemental annual investment program number 5 of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan.
Mr. Chair, if there are no more questions or concerns with the matter, I move for its adoption.
It's been moved by Councilor Serino Doc, seconded by Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Season, and Councilor Secundera, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Second reading of the proposed ordinance amending ordinance number 2005-22 entitled an ordinance adopting a comprehensive transportation and traffic regulations for the administration and enforcement, providing penalties for violations thereof and for the repeal of all ordinances in conflict therewith and providing for other purposes.
In order to fix the said draft, may I suggest 3 weeks? Councilor Raul Bakay, the chairperson of transportation, to defer the said item to another second reading 3 weeks from now to consolidate all suggestions and prepare the final draft. Next item.
Announcement or reminders.
Announcements po. Reminders. Ito ba kanina? Announcements po, public hearing daw po bukas. San Vicente, 10 o'clock in the morning. Sana makapunta po. Any other announcements? No. With that, Councilor Rapago?
Yes, Mr. Chair, if there are no matters to discuss, I need to outreach into the
It's been moved by Councilor Rabang, seconded by Councilor De Leon, and Councilor Alfred De Castro for the adjournment of the day session. And now, po, nisang ng Pangulong the regular session for the month of June.
Belated happy birthday pala ulit.
Happy birthday, Councilor Carol.